Hi students, we are learning our fourth unit, name is integers. Today we will discuss about the multiplication of sign of any number. Suppose there is a plus means into plus. Remember that. This is plus sign, this is also plus sign. There is a multiplication of sign between two plus. This plus into plus. Your answer will be a plus. Your answer will be plus. Now plus into minus. Your answer will be a minus. Answer will be minus. Means plus into plus, that is a plus. Plus into minus, that is minus. Now minus into again minus, your answer will be a plus. Your answer will be a plus. And minus into plus, answer will be minus. Remember that. Plus into plus. Plus into plus, answer will be plus. Plus into minus, answer will be minus. Then minus into minus, that is a plus. And minus into plus, that is a minus. Means if you find or if you see that any two signs which is same, any two signs which is same, and there is a multiplication between two same signs, answer will be plus. Means plus into plus, also plus, and minus into minus, also plus. Minus into minus, also plus. But there is a different sign, and in different sign there is a multiplication, answer will be a minus. Means plus into minus, that is minus. Minus into plus, that is also minus. So there is a different sign and there is some same sign. Okay. So plus plus, there is a multiplication, plus minus minus in multiplication, plus. Means there is a same sign, and in that between the same sign there is a multiplication. On that time your answer will be always plus. Minus into minus, again plus. But there is a difference between sign. Minus, sorry, plus minus, there is a multiplication, answer will minus. Minus plus minus. So this is the basic rules, and with the help of this rule we can solve the problem on the basis of this rule. Today we will discuss, or today we will solve the example number, exercise number 4.3. Exercise number 4.3. So exercise number 4.3. Question number first. Question number first. Subtract. Use the number line only as a check. You have to, no necessary to draw this number line. You have to check only. So 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Remember that there is no sign, that's why plus. That's why plus. There is a minus in bracket, there is also minus. So plus 8 as it is. There is no necessary to write this plus. But in the outside of this bracket there is a minus, and inside of this bracket there is a minus. And there is a hidden sign, that is a multiplication between outer side and inner side. There is a sign, hidden sign, there is a multiplication between this minus and this minus. So minus into minus, also plus. Minus into minus, also plus. So 8 plus 3, that is 11. That is 11. So your answer will be 11. Again I repeat it. Our problem was 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. There is a sign, that is a plus. and in between inner sign means sign of this 3 is minus, and out of this bracket there is also minus, but this out of this minus and inner minus there is a hidden sign, that is a multiplication, so minus into minus, that is a plus. We have already seen that rule. Minus into minus, there is the same sign, and in between there is a multiplication, that's why your answer will be a plus. So 8 plus 3, that is 11. So this is the answer of this problem. We will take another example, that is 20 minus 27. 20 minus 27. 20 minus 27. Now there is a sign plus. There is sign plus. Now from 20 you have to subtract 27, but it is not possible because of this 27 is bigger than 20. That's why in this case we have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So 27 minus 20, because of this 27 is bigger number and 20 is smaller number, but the answer question was 20 minus 27, but the procedure is that you can subtract this small number from bigger number. So 27 is bigger number and 20 is smaller number, so 27 minus 20, that is a 7. But what about sign? The sign will be a bigger number have minus sign, that's why the answer will be a minus. The answer will be a minus. Answer will be, again I will tell you that answer will be a minus. Remember that this 27 have minus sign, is 20 have plus sign. But they ask us 20 minus 27 means smaller number and there is a bigger number, but they ask us subtract this big number from small number, but there is not possible. So we have done here 27 minus 20, but the answer will be a minus because of this bigger sign have a minus sign. That's why your answer will be a minus 7. Minus 7. So this is the way to solve this question. Again 0 minus minus 9. 0 minus 9. Our first question was same. This 0 have plus sign, so 0 will add it. There is no necessary to write this sign here. So minus and minus. This 9 have minus sign, and out of this bracket there is also minus sign. But there is in between these two signs there is a hidden sign, that is a multiplication. So minus into minus, that is a plus. That is a plus 9. So 0 plus 9, we have already learned that any number add in a 0, the answer will be a number itself. So answer will be a 9. Answer will be a 9. Now we will take another example, that minus 72 minus 9. Minus 72 minus 9. Minus 72 minus 9. So remember that in this case this 9 have minus sign, this 27 have also minus sign. So how to solve it? In this case we have to do the addition between these two numbers. So 72 and 9, you have to add it. 2 plus 9, that is 11, and 7 plus 1, that is 81. So 81 is the answer. But what about sign? What about sign? There is a same sign of two numbers. There is a same sign of two numbers. On that time we have to do addition of both numbers, and the sign will be a bigger number, that is minus 82. Minus 82. Okay. So this is the way to solve the questions. Then we will take another example, that minus 50 minus minus 50, minus 50 minus 50. This 50 have minus sign, this 50 have also minus sign, but this minus 50 minus is out of this bracket, this minus is in that bracket, so there is a hidden sign, that is a multiplication. So minus into minus, that is a plus 50, that is a plus 50, minus 50 plus 50, your answer will be a 0. Your answer will be a 0. Okay, so this is the way to find out the answer of exercise number 4.3 first question. So we have taken 4 to 5 examples of question number 1 of exercise number 4.3. The remaining questions of first question you have to solve at home. I hope that you have understood better. Thank you.